Hello everyone, my name is Joanna and this is Teen Book Tuesday. We are the teen department at the Cape May County Library in Cape May County, New Jersey, and we like to let you know every week about a book or graphic novel or audiobook or, I don't know, some other cool resource that we think you might like and use. Making up for my long run of not talking about graphic novels nearly enough, I have one for you this week, nonfiction. It's called Maker Comics Fix a Car by Chris Schweitzer. This one has characters and a little bit of a plot. They're all getting together with a teacher on Saturdays for car club. But the plot and illustrations are mostly about basic fixes that you can make to maintain your own vehicle. Or your parents' vehicle, I guess. The characters and you, the reader, all learn about electrical systems and fuel systems and brake lines and changing oil, all with very helpful, can we focus? Helpful diagrams. It's a really good starting place if you don't know much about cars or trucks. And you want to know more about what to keep an eye on so that things don't go awry as you drive. This book gives you the basics of how to change a flat tire, what your engine might or might not look like, and how to identify what's making that funny sound. It's pretty helpful as an introduction to cars, and the illustrations are fun as well. So check out Maker Comics Fix a Car by Chris Schweitzer. That's all for this week. See you all later.